Hey, what's going on, guys? Like Lucas here, back in another video. Today we're going to be playing some PC Building Simulator. So I had played this game when it originally had come out, and it was pretty fun. So I thought you guys may enjoy playing this, or watching me play it, rather. So, new game, I don't care. There was an update, so all my prior progress wasn't very good because there were some bugs with the game, so I have to make a new save anyway. So I'm just waiting to load in here. Alright, welcome to PC Building Simulator. To begin, go to your PC by the doorway and open the email program on the desktop. You've got mail. Okay. There's a sticky note that says scan. Oh, I guess I can put it here. Click left click to place. Okay. Oh, it's cool. It's got like a fan sound. Email. Hey, thank you for taking over the PC shop for me. Sorry, it's not in a better state. A few things. The company isn't doing very well. There's no money in the bank account. The rent and energy bill come out monthly, so make sure you have enough money for them. I had a job on the go, which should help you with the rent. See email below. Remember to use thermal paste when putting on a CPU. I almost forgot. And the PC's overheated. That's really stupid to not put thermal paste on your computer. So I think you're all set up at company now, so run it how you see fit. Hope you do better than I did. Lots of love, Uncle Tim. P.S. I had to borrow $15 for fuel. You know how it is. Oh. Negative $15. That's great. So, yeah. I need to run a virus scan. Yeah, I've done this before. So, first off, I gotta... This is the annoying part about this game, is you have to individually click all of the I.O. and plug that in. It's really annoying. Okay. Now, I can press 1. Install the USB. Continue. Power on the computer. While I'm waiting for that to boot up. That is loud. 1 second here. I just gotta get situated. Oop. Jeez. Okay. 1 second. My headphone is being... It's got tangled in my chair. This is unfortunate. Okay. Alright, I should be good now. There we go. Okay. Continue. So now I go add/remove programs. And then virus scanner. It's just like your average, virus scanner. .exe. Restart now. Yes. Now the cool thing is that they actually have BIOS as well. So that's cool. That is still loud. So now I scan this and files infected. 246. Cool. Now that I am done, I can just pick the computer up. The fan in the computer still spins, which I think is a nice touch. So then it's just telling me to hit collect on the computer. That's the old email. Collect. Then discard. More space on my computer. Okay. Let's get rid of that. So I need a 500 gigabyte hard drive. That one I can do for free. And this one needs a new graphics card. So let's go ahead and open the shop. What was that? I need hard drive. Oop, whoops. Storage. It was a 500 gig. Add to cart. And then this person wanted a 970 gamer. So I add that to cart. Now if I go to view cart contents, yeah, it's just talking about same day delivery or next day delivery, 3 working day. They basically go down in prices, so I'm just going to do like the next day delivery. Oh, account overdrawn. Here at Megacorp, we know that life doesn't always run smoothly, so we provide a free overdraft for all customers. Your free overdraft limit is $1,000. Cool. So I'm going to accept this. I'm going to accept that. Accept that. Now, I'd play this at one point, and I forgot to turn off my computer, and I also forgot to click the light switch, and my energy bill was really high, and basically the energy company got mad at me. So, end day. Continue. Go to work. Continue. Pick up my packages that are here. Hard drive and a graphics card. Switch on my light. Press P to power it on. While that's turning on, I can grab my computers that I need to fix. Remove you. Remove you. Okay. So here's what I need to do. First off, the CPU needs thermal paste. People always forget to put thermal paste on their CPU. Never forget. You will kill the CPU, and it's not good. Basically, it fills in the air gap between the 2 pieces of metal and allows heat to be transferred. So, it's also not good to have like really bad thermal paste. Like, you do need some, but like at the same time you want to get a higher, if you can, a higher brand, because it will actually cool down. It will actually cool your computer down a little bit if it's like at a certain temp. Better thermal paste does make a small difference, marginal difference. Okay. Oh, whoops. Actually, wait. I stopped powering that on. Remove. Okay, I need to remove the case first. This other side panel. Then I can. Oh, then I gotta do the wires, power, and data. Come on, wire. There we go. And then I can remove the hard drive. Install storage. I want a 500 gig. Then cable. That's power supply. And then that goes to the Mobo. And then I install PC parts, side panel. And then I install this one. Screw it down. And there we go. So now I just gotta turn it on. So this is a pretty fun game. I like it. It's basically, this is sort of boring now, but trust me, it will get better where we actually have to like diagnose computers and stuff. It's pretty cool. So this is probably going to be a small series. Yeah. So this one, this is the one that needs to be fixed from the graphics card, and the other one just needs to be scanned and clean the dust out. CPU needs thermal paste. Okay, once again, put thermal paste on your CPU, please. Where's the cable? There it is. Okay. Remove air cooler. Install some thermal paste. Install CPU cooler. And they have like little sticky notes on them so you know whose is what. That's pretty cool, actually. Okay. Now I just gotta do all the I/O. I might as well do it now. I have the tool selected, and I might as well. There we go. Okay. Now this is the broken one, so I'm gonna click remove. Whoops, wrong one. Oh. Whoops. I basically just plugged into a dead graphics card. There we go. I accidentally undid that. So now, okay, now I can go ahead and click on graphics card. That's the broken one. Screw it down. Wait, oh, whoops. I meant to go 3, which is cable. Unfortunately, I'm currently in debt, which is bad. But hopefully this little PC gig shop thing, I like how he just gave me an entire shop. He's like, oh yeah, this is not working out for me. I'm just going to give you a shop. Here's one. It's pretty cool, though. I wish that happened to me. I'd be fantastic at it. Be great. Okay. The sticky notes just says hello. Okay. Press the install button, compressed air from your tools, then click on PC components to blow out the dust until it has all been removed. Yep. Compressed air. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Watch. Oh, yes. All clean. The front, blow off all that dust. Oh, yeah. Oh, how does it get that dusty? That's what boggles my mind. Ooh, there's still some dust back here. Oh, whoops. Remove. Oh, I said remove. There we go. Fortunately, this one has 2 screws. Cool, this one actually has thermal paste on it, so. So I'm basically waiting for the clean out dust thing to go green. There we go. Okay, so then I can install their PC part, their case back on, and then removing viruses, basically the same thing. So now I go install, tools, USB, cable. Ooh, whoops. I'm going to be building a couple computers this summer for some of my friends, so it's pretty cool. I think I might be building about 2 of them, so. Okay, so then power the computer on. Oh, I guess I already installed the USB. Add or remove programs, virus scanner. Virus scan. There we go. Stop being Windows Vista. Computer. Yes. Restart. So this is like, it's really cool. It's got a whole BIOS interface and everything. Virus scanner. Yep, you know, type in that tree command to scan for viruses. Wow, it's a lot. 300 and... Wow. Here we go. Clean files. 418. Okay, so I should just be able to... Yeah, oh, I just ran into the wall. Whoops. Okay, that should be everything. Then I can go back into my computer. Email. I don't know why it defaults to that, but it's really annoying. Collect. Discard. Collect. Collect. Discard. Remove viruses. Yep, I can do that. Hot and broken PC. Collect. Collect. Discard. Stuff from my daughter's PC. I leveled up. Discard. It's cool. I leveled up. So this person needs 16 gigs of RAM. So I'm gonna go 2 8 sticks. Hot and broken PC. Replace air cooler. I don't think I can hear the fan anymore. It lives on the floor in my dusty office. I hope it's not clogged up. So either it's clogged up with dust and it's not stopping the fan from spinning, or the fan just broke, either overheated or just sometimes the bearings and go bad. So, yeah. Stuff from my daughter's PC, so I need, what is that, 2 8 sticks, a new CPU cooler. I can't get the cooler because I don't know which type they have. Let me see actually. Yeah, see they have AM4 and AMD. Like they have AMD and Intel. So I don't actually know, and I also don't know what socket it is. So yeah, okay, let's just order the RAM. Memory 8. I'm just gonna full screen this. This is the cheapest here. No, that's 4 gigs, 8 gigs, 60. So that would be so if I were to do 8 of those, 60, so that would be 120, or if I were to do 4 of those, it'd be a lot more. Yeah. So I'm gonna do 2 8 gigs. Buy now. Okay, make sure all these are accepted or make sure all of them are in transit. / accepted. Shut out the lights. Hey, I have $545, so I've made some money. End day. Go to work. Let's see what's in my crates. Some more RAM. Let's do this one here first. I'll turn on the lights in a second so you guys can actually see. Okay. Aha. This one's great. They don't actually have any issues with that. I'm gonna go ahead and get a bit close there. Unplug you. Remove that RAM stick. Now I keep the RAM sticks and stuff and like old graphics cards because you can sell them. The broken stuff you can actually sell for like cheap. Like you can sell it for pretty cheap, but it's still worth something. So I always just sort of keep them. Okay, now actually I need to install the side panel, and then you do cable. Plug in all the USB ports, plug in the power, and then plug in the, last but not least, graphics card, and power it up. It looks like they have red lights there. That's cool. Leave by door. Perfect. Done. Okay. Next, I'm going to do the scan because the fix one I need to order parts for. So, and I will do that next. Okay. This one's the faster one. The thing that sucks is benchmarking the computers. Alright. Just gotta plug all these I/O. Oh, whoops. Plug all this I/O in, and yeah. Can power up the computer. Add or remove programs, virus scanner. Alright, well that's going to end it for this episode. I will see you guys in the next one where we will finish diagnosing or scanning SPC. Bye.